Hello everyone, welcome to the Postman tutorial. So in this tutorial, I am going to discuss about how can we verify response headers and how can we verify the time, how much time the API is taking. Okay. So before starting, first time I am running this request, get single user details. Okay. So if I click on send, so I'm getting the response. So here one test case passed. This status code is 200. Status code is 200. Get single user details. It is matching and it is getting passed. Here we can see the snippets. So from the snippets, I am going to choose response headers here. Okay. So header. So these are the headers I just get after running this request. I'm going to verify this content type. So there is a one way. If you're writing only content type, if the key is coming, then it will pass. So here if I click on, so this time two test cases will pass. Here it is passing, but I want to verify content type this key along with this value. So what we can do here, just copy this and comma double quote and just paste this value. Okay, so let me click on send. See, it's working. So content type is present. So just for information, should let me make it fail. So just I update the wrong value 6. So this time it will fail. All right. Okay, actually is 8. So let me make it 8, default 8. Let me click on send. So this is how we can verify. So this is very important while we are doing some security testing. So there we need to verify the headers information. All right. So next I am going to discuss about response time. So response time, let me add here. So by default we are getting 200 millisecond. So that's fine. So let me click on send. So this time three test cases are passing. One status code, one content type, other one response time is less than 200 millisecond. So my requirement is like I need to verify all my positive scenario. All APIs should pass within 200 millisecond. So what I need to do? Do I need to copy paste in each request inside this test tab? No, this is not the ideal way. So if you are having some common test cases like response time, you need to verify, like each company will have some timeline, or some baseline, like all the API should complete within 50 millisecond or 100 millisecond, and you need to apply on all the API. So this is not the ideal way. Like you need to copy the same test across all the API. So can we keep on one place and we should apply for all? Yes, we can. So what I'm doing right now, just I am cutting this, Control X. All right. So if I click on send, so you will see this two test cases will execute. All right. So if I want to verify only my positive scenario, so these are the positive and these are the negative scenario. So both, this is something different. So I'm deleting last one. Okay. New folder I created. So I'm having two folder. This is a one parent folder and two is a subfolder. So my requirement is I want to add this response time for this positive scenario. Okay, I don't want to keep separate for each request. So what I can do, there is a one way. Just go to this subfolder and this three dots, right? Just click on here and click on edit and go to this test section, test. Okay, inside test, just add here this information. All right. Okay, the view is different. I need to scroll it little bit. Okay. All right. So just you need to keep like this way. All right. Let me click on save. Okay, just saved. So here when I run, so I came on this request. So when I ran last time, so two test case ran. Okay. So if I run this time, so you will see three test cases will run. automatically it will pick from parent here. So here you can see here the magic. Okay, so here status code is 200, content type is this, and it is the first priority would be from this parent folder, this subfolder, right? So first test is running this one, response time. So this will automatically call from each and every API inside this folder, basic testing. So let me go to open weather. So open weather, how many test cases are there? So one, two test cases. So if I click on run, so it will see three test cases will pass. So one is failing, that is fine. So here, see, the response time is not matching. So just I have added 200 and it took 467 millisecond. All right. So this is working, right? It is calling. So now let me click on create user. So create user having two test cases. Okay. So let me click on send and we will see three test cases will be execute. All right. So here again it is failing. Response time it is taking more. So 496 it has taken and I have added in 200 millisecond. So if I update, right? So let me update. I think it's open already. Okay. All right. Let me click on save and let me go to create user and let me click on send. So this time all are passing. Here we can see here. Same way, let me check again open weather API. Okay, all are passing. So if I go in this negative testing folder and negative testing folder, first we will see how many are there. So we are having only one test case. So if I click on send, so only one test case will run because this is a separate folder. Okay, let me click on send and here one test case are running, not this response time it is not calling because this is a separate folder. So if you want to keep any some common test case which should apply for negative and positive, then add inside this folder, click on edit this parent folder. So this is a just test, right? This is blank, so add this, then it will call from this and this separate folder. All right, so this is the one way like this we can handle. All right, that's what I want to cover in this session. Thanks for watching this video. If you're having any doubt, you can ask me into the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.